Howdy, howdy. Changing the blood. Giving her a transfusion. She needs one. She needs one. Some interesting weather over here. Troy, Illinois. Getting the oil done. On our way back down to Texas again. It's nice when you tell them you don't want to load, and they tell you gotta take it anyways. Joys of being an owner-operator. Forced dispatch. Well, hopefully not for long. I'll be done with these people and be moving on my way. Finding me another company to go to. Because I'm tired of their bullshit. But just figured it. She's getting her oil changed. Checking her transmission again, making sure that's topped off right. But just figured I'd hop on and say howdy. Yee. There she be.